In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod on the Subaru Forester. It's located behind the front wheel. After you've raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. After removing your wheel, you need to remove your outer tie rod. Your outer tie rod is held on by a 19mm jam nut here. You just want to loosen this jam nut. Now you want to remove your cotter pin and your 19mm nut on the other end. To remove your cotter pin, just push down on the pin in the back and pull it out the front. Remove your nut. Put it off to the side. Now you need to remove your outer tie rod from your knuckle. You can take a rubber mallet and hit in this direction. Once you removed your tie rod from your knuckle, you can take a pair of pliers, clamp here, and remove your tie rod. What you want to do is you want to count the revolutions. That way you can put the new one on with the same. 1, 2, 14, 15. Now remember that number. Yours might be different than ours. Before we install our outer tie rod, you want to put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. Now we're ready to install our tie rod. You have to remember the count that you had. Ours is 15. Yours might be different. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15. Tighten your jam nut just so it touches, and let's get ready to install our outer tie rod into our knuckle. And install your new nut. Your new nut has Teflon, and you'll torque it the same way that you did your castle nut. Tighten your nut and torque that down to 19 foot-pounds. And now tighten your jam nut. To install your wheel, slide your wheel over your lug nut studs and install your lug nuts. You want to tighten those in a star pattern. And torque those down to 65 foot-pounds. Once you've lowered your car down to a flat surface, now it's time to torque. You also want to torque in a star pattern. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done in your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.